Okay, so how do you see recently used apps on your iPhone? There are more ways to check it out. I mean, the simplest one is to get to the multitasking panel by swiping up from the bottom like this, and you can see that previously I've been using the settings, then the Photos app, voice memos, and so on. So that's how you can just check it out very quickly. But there are also some deeper ways to check it out, like which apps have been used for the period of time and whatever. So, what you can do is to open up the settings on your device and then scroll down to find the screen time section. And within here, at first, you gotta make sure you have it set up, but usually and most likely you do. And you can find the all website and app activity. So, for example, my daily average is 54 minutes on this device, and I can check it out and see that during this day, I've been using these apps for this long. So, you can see that the Photos app has been used for 2 minutes, then the settings for 1 minute, and you can see like a breakdown of the notifications and pickups and which apps I open up after picking up the phone. Then you can check it out for the week and you can see how long I've spent on each of those apps. So this is a much more like detailed breakdown of how you've been using your phone and which apps were like previously used. So even though I'm just swiping up to get the multitasking panel reveals the previous app very quickly, this is much more detailed when you use the screen time. So that's it. I'm going to wrap up the video. Hit the thumbs up if you like it, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.